How to cancel money transfer in Google Pay. If your transaction is stuck in processing, your money has been deducted but not credited, or even if the money has not been deducted but remains in processing for a long time, 5 to 10 minutes or more, I will show you how to cancel it. To cancel a transaction, you need to send 1 rupee to the recipient. This process helps in canceling the transaction, and if your money was deducted, it will be refunded. If the money was not deducted, the transaction will be automatically canceled. Now, go to the Can We Send Back option, click on it, and the system will process your request automatically. You only need to submit a request. Delete any unnecessary details and ensure that your email ID is linked, as the request will be sent via email. Your email ID must be correctly restored. In your email, write, "Please cancel this transaction." Then send this email from your registered email ID. If your money has been deducted, include a note mentioning, "Please cancel and refund my money." If the amount was not deducted but remains in processing, mention processing issue and send the request. Once the request is submitted, you will receive a response saying thank you for your feedback. This confirms that your cancellation request has been registered, and if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.